Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Marathon Petroleum is a Fortune 500 company within the oil and gas refining and marketing industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, minus 0.6%, thumbs down. Earnings growth, minus 39.20%, thumbs down. Earnings estimates, 30.11%, thumbs up. Return on capital, 5.26%, thumbs down. Debt to free cash flow, no debt, thumbs up. Share buybacks, no, thumbs down. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.93%, thumbs up. Payout ratio, 92.8%, thumbs down. Growth rate, 10.63%, thumbs up. Growth years, 0 years, thumbs down. 4 out of 10 thumbs up, well that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate Marathon Petroleum if you have it in your dividend portfolio. Don't forget to subscribe and please come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.